Hello, agus fáilte go Cluicheamaid far sin dú dul chluiche beagan Red Dead Redemption I gá nan rá sibh féimach iad céinechan mar go bhíh reminder I guess ha sin chluiche Red Dead Redemption 2 leis go bhfuil Stornoway Quebec ir chuairst a drásta had is Janu anna Stornoway agus tupad vore bianist anna operain agus nursin donation ir a jerich achgain snursin inanis agus mujerich glasachu so murelshiv ir ar ticketchen ein haast fayat agus kumishin arn le Red Dead Redemption ga an chachginse agus an nahiachgain gus an bi an chuirst jeisha so a turas mu yerich fa sin steri ri jiffer gaine ach rud a cutramach san a gemme tu sé sgovel sin dal haar traine classic western situation train job sitting of Isha and then give my client in Yavel for me game raw art and the hotchkiss Hammy Clacky Shawn Mike and Jew tell you over in a ha Tainche agus Chaniel you have to inchinach so Shin as over give me gerchik bicken nas sachgere Jew ach sitting of fist a chuma realm avel me rahachger ounce a chat. Well, a corach in táiseach ma ha, chorgain began a chluich agus chishin na ha ra arsted a Jew. Okay, shashin. Oh, glúisi mi sin. Okay, hashin carart gas. Hashin ní níise, so mi dal chuirsi is rúdbig. Habachart be buaiach sin adibh se. Agus ha chat ac yn ffosgoltir cwjach so ma hashiv dal galasas a chat chimi nura nachgasat.
Now I see you're introducing him to your other passion.
I'll mind you to show me some respect, Mr. Morgan.
Mind away, Reverend. You're still here then?
I owe you.
And you'll pay me. But for the moment, just rest.
So mi smunching gum fachgas in John to this Màiri.
I think it's time for the train.
Sure.
You want me to come? Of course I do, but...
Sin dalle earth gan in terrain.
We're moving out!
So
Follow
sin
me!
stellen gal.
Okay, gentlemen, listen up. All of you. According to the information so kindly provided to us by the O'Driscolls, the train will be coming north from Big Valley. We're gonna pick it off after it crosses the border into the Grizzlies. There's a raised spot there that should give us good vantage. Charles, you'll keep lookout for any outriders. How's that hand, by the way?
I'll be fine.
Good. I'll take the driver and engineer, then run point. Lenny and Javier, you two take the front cars, deal with any guards.
Watch it.
Arthur and Micah, you head straight for the back. That's what we're
Dal
at.
gan a choo.
Mr. Cornwall's private car.
You and me, Morgan.
Great.
Have you got a problem with that?
Not if you keep your head for once.
You worry about yourself, huh?
Enough! After Bill blows the tracks, we're gonna need to move fast. Is everyone clear on what they're doing?
Ha, ha mi hinings make a dal gan a choo.
Good. Now come on. Let's ride.
tíoch the quiet. Oh, agus a leis.
Out of the snow, finally.
Feels good, doesn't it?
Mi hén
Well, we
thala
need to
Jimmy
get
an
this
goteach.
done fast. Now it's thawing before anyone gets up here after us. Oh, look at you boys. See? This is what I call a crew. Micah Bell, Charles Smith, Arthur Morgan, Javier Escuela, and what about young Lenny here? Always the first man on his horse.
Wel, mi
Just
dachas
happy
nach
with
eile
that
mad
guy,
Lenny
Butch.
anna a bheith
You
sem
sure
men.
you're ready for this, kid? Of course I'm ready.
Just stay calm.
Oh,
Keep
hi.
your eyes sharp.
Go
That
ma
goes for all of you.
snoch
No
i bhí
mistakes.
fágáil sneach
Not
géad ar
again.
cúlah.
So we do this, then we go back to Blackwater to collect.
How many times you gonna ask the same question, Micah?
That's a lot of damn money to leave sitting for too long.
It would be crazy to go back there now. The place will be swarming with Pinkertons.
We go back when I say we go back, and that's the end of it. The money's safe. You'll just have to trust me. And if the O'Driscolls are right, there'll be a stack of railroad bonds on this train. Good money, once we work out how to cash them. Now everyone, shut up and get your mind on the job at hand. Come on.
Ha colas je
There's the water
cult
tower.
leader ag
Hold up
Dutch
here
na
on the
bheach
ridge.
sa. Seo sin.
Is
Okie
Bill
dokie.
there?
Yeah,
You want to head down, see how he's getting on?
okay.
Oh,
Canting mar chéiste a chvíli sé orstú ha. Cymru mi sias. Dyf seo?
Yeah.
Ai, fa mi ysmyntio mi ein i am seo ar ha mi ar fi cael The Book of Boba Fett. Ha fiach in re rwtgan je western i anu. Agus ha
How you getting
episode
on?
le trene sy'n gwydioch.
I'm okay.
You sure?
Of course.
Can I help a little?
All right. Go ahead and set up the detonator by those rocks over there.
Okay, sure.
Now just unspool the wire and then attach it to said detonator.
Okie dokie. Jan wordt een goma sleutel. Als ik hem zo.
Okay, this is good.
All right. That should do it. You head back up to the others. I got it from here.
Suisarat, shiasarat, fatalat, ranga.
have to say, I'm rather looking forward to this. Just be ready to move quick, and remember the plans, all of you. No mistakes. Yep.
Kan jag maak go markach, okay?
What's going on? He says all fine.
We'll soon find out.
Everything okay?
I think so.
Okay, cover your faces. Train should be here any minute. Now,
Aha, wie is ik? Mag maar, good. Arster morgen me. Shashi.
gentlemen, it's time. Good luck, all of you. You all know what to do.
Okay, ga naar goed, ga naar goed.
Here we go. Shit! No!
Oh, you have got to be kidding me. Where did you find that moron? You said it was fine.
My fault. You're pathetic. You know that? You're
Cluicheamaid.
okay. Now, let's go slow this thing down.
Where's Javier?
He fell. The others will get him.
Let's go.
خود داره.
Come on, we need to stop this train.
There's another guard up ahead. You want me to take him?
چی؟
Who's going?
I'll go. You cover me.
Okay.
Jag kan inte komma med det med. Okej.
Let's keep moving. Should we move up? How the hell this happened? I'm gonna be the one that puts you in the ground.
I got these sons of bitches!
Kan vi actually theoretically reload the address?
How you doing there?
I'm okay. Come on, let's get to the front. If we don't stop this train soon, the other boys will never catch us.
Okej, lätt.
I'm going up. We have to stop this train.
I know. Just stay calm.
You got him? I ain't got a clear shot.
Okay.
Look out. Got more coming off the train.
There better be some money up here.
Oof.
All these bastards must be guarding something.
We need the car at the back, right?
Yep. Keep pushing on.
Watch out! There's some shooters up top. Son of a bitch.
Still okay?
I think so.
Oof.
Good.
Tja. Bharrachd.
Who is this guy?
Still good, kid.
Joe Achtelgal.
Where the hell are the others? Gonna get out of this.
Oh, I know we are. There's the other boy.
Cadê lá?
Watch it. More of them ahead.
Han är det gav tog.
One of you!
Good shooting, kid.
I can see now why the O'Driscolls brought so many boys up here for this.
Arthur, get over here.
Shut the van. Dutch.
You two all right?
Yes, let's get the money and go.
We got some fellas holed up in this last car.
Ah, shit.
What are you boys planning on doing in there? Listen to me. We don't want to kill any of you. Any more of you. I give you my word, but trust me, we will.
I work for Leviticus Corps.
Come on,
Happen
boys.
Adam.
We got our orders.
Okay, you asked for it.
We ain't
5,
opening this door.
4, 3, 2, 1. Seems our friends have gone deaf. Wake them up a little. Mr. Williamson, give Mr. Morgan and Mr. Smith some dynamite. You two boys go blow that door open.
Oops.
Now, don't matter too much to us, but you boys in there might want to take a step back.
Seems good enough. Now light the fuse.
Here we go.
Unless you got a death wish.
Right.
I'd step back, fellas.
Her cool of Dutch.
All right, come on. Just walk on out here. We don't want to kill you. We just want to rob your boss. Get on up there. Search that train.
Okay, Jay hit a trainer.
Look at this place. It's like a palace.
Now I've seen everything.
Both.
Oh, you two got the safe? I'll search the rest.
Oh, yes. Should be easy as cake.
Jay shot. Leech it.
You're just gonna stand there, kid. Pour me some brandy, will ya? I'm parched.
Shut up. Me and Arthur did all the work.
Yeah, kid did good. Didn't see you rushing to jump on that train.
He's keen. I'll give you that.
Letter to Leviticus Cornwall from Leland Oil Development
Let's see
Company.
if we can get
Dear
this
Mr.
open.
Cornwall, we are yet to receive payment of £2,000 for the initial phase of exploration at the Wapiti Indian Reservation,
Getting there.
Amberino, as agreed in the contract between Cornwall Kerosene and Tar and the Leland Oil Development Company,
There.
dated November
See?
9th,
That's how it's
1898.
done.
On receipt of the funds, we will proceed with phases
Shit.
2 and 3 of the project and
pile
present
of
you with
papers.
a detailed report of
Bonds?
our findings within the
I
month.
don't think so.
Ian
Here.
Shinach.
Make yourself useful. At least we all know you can read.
Give me those.
Cash J. Elaham Gorst.
Railroad contracts, invoices, blah, blah,
platinum
blah.
pocket
You
watch.
got anything?
Not really. Sugar imports from the Spanish
Yes,
West Indies.
Brandy.
A lot of sugar. Some
Shoe
fancy new
good.
boat he's ordered from Europe.
Agus Olva.
I am not robbing another boat as long as I live.
Richard Ela. Leticus. Letter
Have
to
you
the
checked
Leviticus
all the drawers
Cornwall
and cabinets?
from Archibald Jemison. Dear Leviticus, thank you for the telegram and your continued interest in the Jemison Mining Company. However, any news you have received of mismanagement are simply fake, and I would urge you to question your
Any luck, Arthur?
sources.
Nothing much yet.
Coal industry is quite different from the oil
Let's keep
industry in a
looking.
number of ways. Chatalam Marahad
Goddamn
and Connie
O'Driscolls.
Breen is to a fiach in your I'd also be delighted to host you in Ansburg and give you
These
a
just
personal
seem to
tour
be
of the mine.
contracts. Arthur, have you looked down the end there?
Ish Lenny, how many Janushin?
Keep looking. There must be something.
Ha is Lenny should game a computer round. And Connie Ruttigan around.
Come on. Let's hurry this along, boys.
Ish Dutch, oh my god. Right.
No, this looks like something.
Jay Hacken and Hinnach. Bond. Seamus Bond.
Think I got him.
Nice. Thank God. Come on.
Wouldn't go she and a horsed. Oh, well, okay. Rutsapi Ela Stein here. Call us Nachel. Well.
What did you find?
These bonds. They worth anything?
Oh, sure. Bearer bonds. I think we can probably sell these pretty easily. Well done. Now, would you get rid of all of this?
The train?
Yeah, get it out of here.
What about them?
What do you think?
I don't know.
It's up to you. Kill them, leave them here, take them with you on the train. Just make sure they don't send no folk after us.
Okay.
See you back at camp. When you get back, we'll be moving on. The rest of you, let's ride!
Let's ride! Tell him classic Guhushan.
Okay. Get on the train. Quick. All of you. Any bright ideas, I kill all three of you. So behave. Come on, move.
We won't tell a soul, I swear.
Said quick.
Cashma. Began Lutuch. Silver pocket watch. Well, have fair platinum actually. Bitters. Trying to fat the helm. Carishla Arstead bit stat. River Hurricane. Right, so it's on here on you. Maha. Well, sin a level treine gianta. I mean, dachas, leis go bhfuil Dutch accounting go bhfuil sin dul luas at the art. I mean, dachas go bí seo cíalcha go bhfuil sin an san open world and a grishak. Ar hair farcin go ma ní lis clinkalichte.
So, we getting out of this hellhole?
We're gonna try. Weather seems stable.
And we just robbed the Leviticus Cornwall train.
We got money in our pockets. The worst is behind us, gentlemen. So the question is, where now?
I know this country a little. I told you, we should set up camp in Horseshoe Overlook near Valentine. We'll be able to hide out there no problem, as long as we keep our noses clean.
Well, then let's go. Clean noses and everything else. Arthur, you're in that one. Bring Hosea. I know you two like to talk about the good old days and what's gone wrong with old Dutch.
I can't paranoid Dutch. Averasach. Okay, her fellow van Tjechka. Scan your lane. I guess. Jochja Lila. NicNèill gaan jou weer really even Cluicheamaid aan een chachai. En we down aan een Cluichemarvel snap. Ach, varker shit. Really unje we ook om de keuze we gaan maar drank. This is true shit not ha. Liste more I come to hem gaan hem hier zo'n Cluich. Ach, shoshi. Ach, I'm intaligje nach door me. Last of Us or on a PC hast. The rare colors I see the land.
Micah, get over here!
Yes, boss.
You two ride up ahead, make sure there's no surprises. We've had enough of those.
Me with the boy?
Just go.
Come on, kid. You can buy me a whiskey.
Hier falla van het nachke. Cushion beginnes. Oanje. Moet je een jaar. Gesluitig. I could you get me now. This me Cluiche is Cluicheamaid.
Gotta keep us moving, but
I guess H. Oor de heatje zeggen aan het potentieel. And yeah, sure, urgent again we can.
Okay, let's take a look.
You all right back there?
Does everything look all right?
Well, what's going on?
I broke the goddamn wheel.
All right, let's get it fixed.
You need help?
I reckon we can handle it. All right, Charles, you and me hold the thing up while you try and put the wheel back on, Arthur.
You still strong enough to hold up a wagon?
Shut up.
I'm just saying.
Don't say less. Pick the wheel up! Nearly there. There.
See? You ain't so useless after all.
Not quite.
Oh. Caution.
What do you think?
If they wanted trouble, we wouldn't have seen them.
Poor bastards. We really screwed them over down here. Come on, let's not push our luck.
What happened?
Well, get in. I'll tell you.
Eentje.
Not too far now. Stay on this trail. We'll follow the river, then cut left inland. So, yes, the Indians in these parts got sold a very raw deal. This is the heartlands we're going to. Good farming and grazing country. They lost it all. Stolen clean away from them it was, every blade of grass. Killed or herded up to the reservations in the middle of nowhere.
And how's that different from anywhere else?
Well, maybe it's not. I just heard some of the army out here was particularly unpleasant about it.
Unpleasant? How do you rob and kill people pleasantly? We don't, in spite of Dutch's talk.
I fear I was perhaps trying to simplify something more complicated for the benefit of our block-headed driver here.
Hey, don't blame it on me. Never forget, this here's a con man, Charles, born and bred. Just 'cause it sounds fancy don't mean he knows a damn thing about what he's talking about. So, what happened to your tribe?
I don't even know if I have one. At least, not that I can remember. My father was a colored man. He told me he lived with our people for a while. A number of free men did. When we were forced to move from our lands, the three of us fled. I was too young to really remember much. My whole life I've been on the run. A couple years later, some soldiers captured my mother. Took her somewhere. We never saw her again. We drifted around. He was a very sad man, and the drink had a mean hold on him. Around 13, I just took off on my own.
That was about the age we found young Arthur here. Maybe a little older. A wilder delinquent you never did see. But he learned fast.
Not as fast as Marston, apparently.
Wait, I don't understand. What's the problem between you two?
Arthur?
It's a long story.
Well, Unya
You
Aki.
still heading the right way?
That depends. Are we still heading west in search of fortune and repose in virgin forests as we planned? No. Are we heading in the correct direction on our desperate escape from the law eastwards down the mountains? Yes, I believe so.
You know this area?
A little. I've been through a couple of times. There's a livestock town not too far from here called Valentine. Cowboys, outlaws, working girls, our kind of place.
Driscoll's?
Probably them too.
Pinkertons?
Let's hope not.
And this place we're going. Wait, what's it called again?
Horseshoe Overlook.
It's a good place to lie low?
It'll do for now. And how low do you think Dutch is really going to lie? It's just, you know, maybe it's me who's changed, not him, but we kept telling him that ferry job didn't feel right. You and me had a real lead in Blackwater that could have worked out.
Maybe.
It just isn't like Dutch to lose his head like that.
Things go wrong sometimes. People die. It's the way it is. Always has been. Me, you, Dutch. We've all been in this line of work a long time. And we're still here, so... I figure we must have got it right a hell of a lot more than we got it wrong. What are you working on there, anyway?
Just some yarrow and ginseng. Good for the health. Better than that stuff you buy in the store. Yeah, you can have all this. I'm at the point where I can do it with my eyes closed.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Acquire some herbs. These can be consumed to replenish your cores used in cooking craftsman items. Hi, Ali. Sure, Gemma Ali. Door naar hele rogarach geestje. Agus talm fel sin lechas an dach go beidir go bhfuil sin a chatín mar cuaigtar sa bhá a deanna jifa. Oops.
There you are, brother. Head in there and follow the track for a bit.
Thanks.
Hey, slow up. I'll jump on. Okay, let's go.
Any trouble getting in here, Javier?
Nope. Went well. This is a good spot.
Excellent. I think this'll work for us, Arthur. For now, anyway.
I mean, dach is misschien al ring counter.
Here we are, gentlemen. Home sweet home.
Ah, Scania. Sean of Amigiri. So to get a short hub.
This
Or some.
place.
The vorkut card
I
again.
hope so. Gentlemen, we have survived.
For now.
Now, it is time to prosper.
Arthur and I were about to prosper in Blackwater. We were onto something big. Then Micah got you all excited about that ferry, and here we are.
We have all made mistakes over the years, Hosea. Every last one of us. But I kept us together. Kept us alive. Kept the nooses off our neck.
I guess I'm just worried. I ain't got that long, Dutch. I want folks safe before I go.
Me too.
And now we are stuck. East of the Grizzlies and out of money. And a long way from our dream of virgin land in the west.
I know, my brother. But we are safe. We make a bit of money here. Then we move again. Head out around them. Be west of Uncle Sam. In a few months, buy some land.
I hope so.
Would you just look around you? This world has its consolations.
Gentlemen, I'm going to head into the local town and, see if I can strike up a little business.
Of course, Herr Strauss. I prefer robbing banks to usury. Seems more dignified somehow. Now,
Tell him.
everyone, put your tools down for a moment. Come on, gather round. Quickly now. I know that things have been tough, but we are safe now, and we are far too poor. So it is time for everyone to get to work.
Get to work, but stay out of trouble. Remember, we are itinerant workers.
Laid off when they shut down our factory to the north. Now get out there and see what you can find. Uncle, Reverend Swanson, no more passengers. It is time for everyone to earn their keep.
There is a town a little way down the track named Valentine. Livestock town, all mud and morons, if I remember right. That seems a decent place to start.
And, we need food. Real food. That means every day. One of you.
And remember, whatever it is that you find, the camp gets its slice. Now be sensible out there.
Now the girls have your tent ready, Mr. Morgan. Come with me. You two will be ready shortly. We put you over here.
I'm sure everything will be fine, Miss Grimshaw.
It should be. Most of your stuff from Blackwater got saved.
Everything apart from my money.
Oh, don't remind me.
Well, we can always make more money.
We're gonna have to. Miss Jackson, I've seen shit with more common sense than you do it properly.
Capital a hen gianta. Snish ag toshach. Capital Iga. A couple of weeks later.
Got off the mountain, and rode east into some pretty enough country called the Heartlands. Ain't been this far east in many a year. Dutch seems a little better. His eyes are sparkling once more, and I can see he's thinking a little clearer. I think we all feel a little happier, despite of Blackwater and that whole mess.
Arthur?
Jose?
Quite a day.
Let's hope so.
There's a bunch of the boys already in Valentine. Bill, Charles, and Javier. And Swanson found something down at the train station by the lake, apparently. And Strauss came back with that creepy little smile on his face. I'm sure there's a whole list of unfortunates he's forced money upon.
Thank you. And you?
I'm gonna read a book.
Tell him, Hosea. Gosh, time to give El so slan acting like a big fosculture. Hishin Jane Jeffed. Outfits a hacking. Ruffian. Rebel. Each we smashing. Weet je a brawler? Stel hem shin. Ach, weet je gelijk at. Juist, ach, wil die aan ga. Jalaf. Die aan ga berg. Beard is getting long. You can use the shaving kit beside your tent. Look at that. Next catch vela shaving kit daja. Anyhow, Channing. It's tell him, Shaw. You shouldn't look. You smashing. She's on the Anahin. Let's get you on a 3 Anahin. Shashing. Gavoor na gelu paia gastet. Gavoor na gil.
Good morning, Arthur.
Nothing waar. Kerst me hat mige. Smenshin get stat me aan a hin gen. Een player. Een Cluicheamaid KU. Ha me your son eich ging. So veel. Wil ik komen zag ga. Red Dead Online Chluich. Or mi smudge go sin na farsin hemme. Hishin. Or mi smudging gootjig. And a Red Dead Online can you get character I could heen a chruthaich. I guess it's fear hallo me via chruthaich character. So Hishin. Ga ik niet meer more aan jij begin Chluich och jong Kurish. Chluich me big an gen beta er son Diablo a kid agus Harchin rum clan. Gen a few that you get mission. Chai, I'm especially about more on Gamichen Gus noch is I get Gamma Zelda.
Okay, Sheriff. Here they are.
Tell the Marshal this ain't how we do things here. But I'll oblige him this once. All right. Let's see what we got.
I'm smashing.
Okay, you head through there.
Gewel sin dalle jiachin. Ri. Na sitting gain.
I'm gonna need your details.
Maddie. Van Stornoway, Quebec anu. So we dalle gain a poster sus.
You aren't going anywhere, and neither am I.
Genown mar Màiri ha je drast. Mar Màiri fuse. Right, Jella. Okay. Vier is in Shaw.
Take the time and get this right.
Nach gain. Oh, gaan je strach genachke. Schaskra.
From what I
Màiri.
hear, you ain't leaving us anytime soon.
NicNèill. Okay.
We're gonna need a fair record of you.
Randomize all. Shouldn't go to Ruth Bickness Ashka.
Tell me everything except that you're innocent. I'd find that hard to believe. Quite a record we'll have on you.
We're smudging athletic or some Màiri.
You're lucky you were caught, you know. The way the town feels about what happened, you were likely to be shot.
Ha cat there for hast have we got a
It's
lot
a
of
process, all right, but a
Caran,
necessary one.
darach. I mean, dag is nog heel chiefje galarach darach. Skugner in gaifse eichkin.
How you doing with that?
Shaw Ganyanach. Okay. Alright.
Okay then.
Carefree. Neutral. Narrow. We smudging furrowed. Furrowed browers on Màiri NicNèill. I shouldn't try to kill also. Oh, vov. Gaan we dolly aan fine tuning a haja.
Yep.
Oh, so you get fine tuning again with Jiffer then, yeah? No, gaan we doen. Can we had me found with that? Oh, okay. Ha bharrachd gown. J-hacking. Okay, turned up. Hooked. Neutral. Thin. Wide. Okay, neutral on this one, Jay. Oops. Lower jut. Neutral. Thin. Full. Upper jet. Such a full. Neutral. Wide. Narrow. Weak. Dus weet je wel niet dat ik maar door in je neutral is aan toe is. Gaan neig me fuse ne close on, so kunnen we zien good neutral, wide, neutral, sunken, full, gaunt, wide, neutral. Okay. The chompers, the gilded, plum wore out, AC, long dead, gummer, yokel. Especially the jumpers. Felt. J-hacking. Okay. Chluich me correction. Bharrachd. Especially good to messy pleat. Can you J-tan here? Wendy's, agus mu mention go bhfuil sin ceart nach chéimi bhfuil ile annathe nas imimeché sin lifestyle skin modeling speckled genial mi buachíteach na sin céaltas wind whipped reddening toughened a réiteach goideach Sfír hallam character le inne era scar clawed slashed split hoofed torn struck slashed hacked cracked it's done cracked smashed patched scraped broken marred raised blemished scalped hoofed and we smashing broken briste no chanya J scraped patched slashed should I cracked shouldn't have me smashing tiredness Chris make wel ski. Chris make wel more an je seo ara ach chisin. Genial schaar is kom na met janu. Wel sin volle seach. Son felt on a pigtails. Shouldn't have me kitty. Okay. Whistle. Chisha. Kviet style hachke. Oh, randomize. Okay. Attributes. Health, stamina, deadeye. We smooching and a deadeye. I guess and a stamina. Shinhani? Sorry.
It's all correct. I'll take a photograph. Hold up your fingers.
So, seo acah Màiri. Mín dachas go bhí colas nas Cluiche bhí Màiri ar a nuair tada. Yeah, the basics are in. Play the intro. Jesus, skip the intro. Don't skip at the ass. Or can you more an unia rakalaki? Sure. Biach gakamach. Chachrich me gwela cast. Cyu, it's a shot a load Cluiche is a shot and na hech gan gojoch. Red Dead Airliner. Survive $100 $100. tailored appearance. Even well. Warm and positive. Experience everything Frontier has to offer. Seek out work from local figures across the 5 states, or compete against other players. Down you basically Red Dead Online mad an game of a character skiallach agus tugalach is be down you jeans jack Kaylee. Well, good to conclusion picking about Red Dead again. You're Red Dead Online Màiri NicNèill and I have gang. Easy. Shaw E. Well, famous in H na shad ein E. Ashin foolish. Okay. So my achievement. Yeah, we're sheerly and starts players. Okay, story right here. Okay, Jay has a wardrobe without Sheehan. Okay. Well, Seo Màiri drasta hí sin mar a héid again. Fáci mi ana hinach ag tá an drasta. Cynnig lysym mar a fys mi a saflig. Diwch dal ag agael. Okay, cymryd a saflig me. Help, progress abilities, player, story. Resume story, load game, new game, store settings. Okay. Fáci mi sin a drasta agus hí mi in na hechgan siú son beagan bharrachd Red Dead Redemption son caran bhí cáracha go bhfuil Stornoway Quebec dalman cuairs na halapa agus ruite an Chluich sin beagan Màiri neach an cuam sin áirin leis scéalach. Ach sin agad bhuamsa a dú, I mean dachas go bhfuil sibh cúmal sláán is sábhailteas na láin álit a seo, schíimi na heachgan siú, ran uair sin cúmamh armh a Cluiche.